Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack assembly. The lower dish rack assembly is used for storing large dishes and pots and could be easily rolled in and out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it gets corroded and starts breaking apart, leaving ugly spots on the dishes. To get it apart, we need to open the door. Now we're going to roll out the dish rack, and I'm going to pull out the silverware basket. Now we can remove it. This is the old lower dish rack assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, so this is the new lower dish rack. Place it on the door. So now we can install the silverware basket in. We have two hooks here on the basket that locks over the top wire. And now we can roll it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.